crush ako na nagkagusto, I think. May dalawang version po yun eh. Yung version na isa is through mutual friend. So sinabi ko po na mutual friend, work from home ako. Try mo lang. O online dating. So yun yung version 2.
Ay, nagkita kami. Tapos, medyo napagiyan lang sa akin ng konti yung partner ko. So, syempre, sabi nga ni Eminem, you only got one shot.
Happy ako sa kanilang dalawa. Legit. As in, sobrang compatible nila. Tsaka success story yan kasi sila ng ano.
Secret! Sinabi ko na malalaman na nila mama ang totoo mamaya.
Tali mo sa leg.
Huwag mo kunin lahat ng sahod. Yung pagpapakasal yung pag-aasawa at sa una lang yan mahirap. Kahirap na yan ang
Pag-video ka na lang, girl.
Para sa amin, ito celebration lang. More on, after yung mag-I do, kasal, party lang. Na lang eh. After nun, ang totoo na challenge, yung after ng kasal pa rin.
Simula pa noong una tayong nagkakilala, we've always had fun and interesting conversations. Masaya dahil marami akong natututunan at nadidiscover habang nananatili pa din ang pakiramdam na magaan lang ang lahat, natural at walang kailangang patunayan. Nawala ang lahat ng pangamba, mga dahilan at takot. Bigla na lang naging malinaw, naging mapayapa at nagkaroon ng direksyon yung minsang nasa isip lang dahil sa'yo. Ipinaramdam mo at ipinakita mo sa akin na posible at kaya pala. Pero higit sa lahat, hiningi ko yung the one na kayang mahalin ang buong ako. At kaya ko ring mahalin at pagkatiwalaan. And years later, God answered those prayers and gave me you.
My bones are safe and my heart can rest knowing it belongs to you.
Kaya dapat makakas tayo.
Bawal umiyak.
Oo, bawal. Di tayo hiyak.
My world is changed and it's cradled by the comfort that is you.
Mamahalan ay parang tanim. Dapat alagaan araw-araw. Congratulations.
Thank you sa lahat.
My head is reeling and I am running out of air. I need to breathe in. I didn't know that it was possible.
Kahit ano po man ang sorry, I love you. See you sa gagamitin ko ito. Yung nararamdaman ko kasi sa kanya nun, hindi ko kailangan magtago. Yun po, unti-unti akong nagtiwala, ganun. Tapos, mas nagbukas po yung sarili, ganun.
Bones are safe and my heart can rest knowing it belongs to you. My world is changed and it's cradled by the comfort that is you.
Nung time na nagkakalala kami, alam namin na pares kaming ready for a relationship. Parang lahat, yung planeta nag-align para sa amin. Parang ganun yung feeling eh. Ang pinaka-importanting part naman is makasal kami. And after nun, excited na kami dun sa next part ng buhay namin together. Finally, we made it. And I'm super happy na nandito tayo ngayon para sa simula ng bagong chapter natin sa relationship. You always cheer me up when I'm at my lowest. You made sure I was never alone on my great days. You always bring out the best in me and made me happier than I ever was. So I must say, I really am the luckiest man alive. because I have you.
knows how you go. Oh, when we're alone, it's like we're home. Nobody knows how you go. Oh, when we're alone, it's like we're home.
I love you so much, Mago, and I promise to love you each and every day of my life. I always to be there for you through good times or bad. And from now on, you will be my top priority, and I'll always be here to protect you. I promise to be a good, loving, and loyal husband. I will always love you unconditionally and will never ever leave you.
Hindi smooth sailing ang journey nating dalawa. We face challenge after challenge after challenge. Pero naging panatag ako at hindi kailanman nakaramdam ng pag-iisa dahil nandyan ka. Mago, I promise to stay by your side and to continue choosing you no matter what.
Congrats, Toby and Wena. We love you po. Yung sister ko, siya lang yung bride siguro na nakilala ko na very chill. I'm very happy for her. Wow!
Communication is the key. Yun lang.
Excited na para mamayang gabi. Thank you, Mago, for being the kind, genuine, loving, and caring person that you are. Thank you for everything, Mago. Mahal na mahal kita.
I will always be your partner in life, your best friend, and your anchor when the seas are heavy. I promise to grow with you and to love you, giving you the best of my life for the rest of my life.
Mala